traders. Let's take a look at what's moving this morning. On the move, we got HOM. This stock dropped over 37%. We got over 2 million shares traded pre-market. This thing's in play. Not a big range, it's an $11 stock right now. But, it might move this morning. We'll take a look at it. SFIX, this thing is definitely in play. Up over 25%, almost 600,000 traded pre-market. That's definitely in play. CIEN, this one's 19% up. Over 650,000 traded. That's in play. We got quite a few here we can work with. We also stream these every morning at 8:30 alongside market gauges of SPY, QQQ, DIA, VIX. Let's take a look at the market this morning. The SPY, we're up about 0.10% over yesterday's close. Yesterday's session was a good session. It opened up and then it dropped a little bit and then it rallied for the rest of the day. As you can see here, rallied all the way to the top here. If we look at the daily this morning, looks good, looks really good here. On Tuesday we had that really big up day. We had some continuation yesterday, and it looks like today, this morning, we're up over yesterday's close, so it's looking good. So let's go trade. Roku, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. It's risky, but I like the way it's downtrending here. Alright, we're in. Should be fairly quick. We're in at 166 cents. I like it below 100. Alright, we're going to take this right here if we can. Alright, we're out. We're out with about a 40-cent winner. It's just up so much on the daily that it's such a risky trade. We're going to go long CIEN here at the bid if we can get hit. Alright, we're in. We're in at 42.14. Only 100 shares. That's okay. We'll just keep 100. If it drops, we'll pick up another 50. Daily looks great here. This thing is blasting off from yesterday's close. Intraday, it gaps up, and here it comes. We're going to take this right here if we can. Only 100 shares, so I don't want to. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. We took almost a full point off of that. Only 100 shares. But you see that it was almost at the breakout area, and it's still going. Look at that thing go. SFIX, we're going to try to take this here for a short. All right, we're in. It's kind of risky because it's up for the morning, but I like the way it's been dropping since pre-market, and it's forming a base here, but looks like we got in it at the wrong time. Anyways, the daily does not look good for a short. Look at this thing. This thing blasted off. But it's up so much, and it started coming down pre-market, that I think once it cracks this 28.50 area, which it's not doing so good right now, it'll drop. But if it doesn't, we'll come out of it. We're going to come out of it probably, this would be our stop area here. So if it doesn't drop soon, we'll just come out of it. Just as we get in the damn thing, it starts to go up. All right, we're going to come out of this right here. Doesn't want to hit us. All right, we're going to push this up. Now it's going higher. I don't like that. All right, we're going to come out of this right here. All right, we're out. I just pushed it up. I wanted to come down and get a smaller loss, but didn't want to come down. But we tried it. We took a loss of about, I don't like this, about 70 cents. Facebook, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. I like this. All right, we're in. We're in at 167.56. We're at the lows here, close to it. So I think once it cracks the lows, it'll drop. Daily looks good for a short, We had that big down day. I think it was either Monday or Tuesday. And yeah, it was Monday. Monday we had that big drop day. And I don't really think it's done. But we'll see. We'll see. Stop loss on this will be around over 168 in target. I like it below 167. SFIX, we're going to try this one more time here at the ask. I think this time it has no choice. It's going to drop now without me. All right, we're in. SFIX, second trade on it. We tried it earlier here, and as soon as we got in, we got that squeeze. So I was thinking it's going to pop over the top. But now it's at that area again. This time, it went through all that noise. I think now it has no choice but to drop. Target on this one, I like it below 28. And stop loss will be around 29, 25 area. Here it comes. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Even if I can just get back what I lost, I'll take that. I don't care. SFIX, here we go again, testing the lows. All right, here we go. We're coming down now. Like to see it below 28. You know what? We're gonna take this right here. Actually, all right, we're out. We're out with what is that? 50-cent winner. That's fine. Oh, and it drops even more. Look at that. I got out at the wrong time. Facebook, look at this thing. We just got out of SFIX. We took a 50-cent winner on that one, but this thing was squeezing here for a little bit. It went over our stop for 1 or 2 candles, but nothing dramatic. Now it's coming back. Now it should be dramatic. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Market's on our side. If we look at the market down here, we got 3 red candles, and it looks like it's about to hit the lows. So we got tailwind there. I like to see this below 167, and then we'll see where we'll take it. But once this one starts moving, this thing can move. So we could probably get this down to, if we're patient, we could probably get it down to 165, but I don't got that kind of patience. About to crack the lows here. Am I on the market? As soon as the market climbs, I'm going to come out of this trade. Facebook, this thing is starting to give me a headache here. I don't think this thing is going to work out. I think we're going to come out of this. We're going to come out of this right here if we can. All right, we're out of a, all right, we're full out. We're out with, what is that? About a 25-cent loser. And now the market's starting to climb here, if we can see it right there. So I think this thing's going to climb, so we're out of that trade. We tried it. Roku. We're going to take this for a long right here at the bid if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're in at 99.30. We took it for a short earlier. We took a little bit off of it, and it dropped and dropped and dropped. Then it formed a base down here. Formed this nice base here. And now it's starting to climb. Now I got in a little bit later than I wanted to, but we got a lot of meat here. We got a lot of room to cover here. So look at the daily. The daily is super strong. So more likely than not, this is going to continue upward. You got a lot of people that started going short this, and now they're going to have to cover their position. And this stock is going to go higher and higher and higher. I'm thinking. But it could drop. So if it drops, our stop will be below 98.75 area, and target on this, I like it around 100. But intraday does not look good for long. I'm going long this mostly because of the daily and how powerful and strong it is. Roku's looking good here. Looks like we're going to pop over the top here. Roku, look at this thing. It's looking good here. We're going to see if we can get a little bit more from this. At least over 100 though. I want to see if we can get this over 100. It's looking good. Just to get back from that loss this morning from SFIX and Facebook. We got momentum. The daily is on our side. The only thing that's not working for us is the market. The market's just standing still. But at least it's not going against us. So Roku. All right. We're almost at our target area. All right. There we go. All right. Let's take this right here if we can. All right. We're out. Nice. I'll take that. We could have probably got it a little bit more, but the market isn't giving us any tailwind. So I'm thinking this is 100. It's a big round number. So chances are it's going to drop here for a little bit before it continues up. And I don't want to leave, what is that, 70 cents on the table? Take that. Anyways, that's going to be it for me today. We took a decent loss on SFIX, but it didn't deter the day. We still made it back and some. We're up 171. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners and 2 losers. Our biggest winner on Roku and our biggest loser on SFIX. Thanks for watching.